Right now I'm going to start over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this into an elliptical orbit. That's a pretty good elliptical orbit, isn't it? Okay. So notice that it's swooping around, and when it's far out here, look at the velocity there, and compare that to the velocity when it's the closest to the star. That's the key thing there. Okay? It's got a different velocity here than it does right there. Okay. As far as energy goes, we haven't really talked about energy, but the potential energy here increases the farther you are from that star. It's actually equal to G times M divided by R. So, is that right? But it's negative that. Yeah. So the potential energy actually increases as you get farther from the star, which makes sense, right? I mean, that's the way you lift a book up. It's higher potential energy. Anyway, that's an elliptical orbit. I thought you could see that.